My dear brothers and sisters, you're all very welcome to our celebration of the Eucharist on this most beautiful day of grace, the celebration of the Solemnity of the Immaculate Conception of the Virgin Mary. Perhaps the most popular of all the Marian feasts in the Church, the Immaculate Conception. Perhaps the most precious feast, because it says something not just about Mary, it says something about our own lives. And for us Redemptorists, this is a very special feast. Our founder, St. Alphonsus Maria de Liguori, placed our congregation under the protection of the Immaculate Conception and presented Mary, the ever Virgin, the Immaculate Conception, as our congregation's principal patroness. If there was one saint in the history of the Catholic Church who was the most ardent defender of the Immaculate Conception, it was St. Alphonsus. And perhaps it was his book, The Glories of Mary, that was the final defining influence for Pope Pius IX to declare the dogma of the Immaculate Conception. And so I invite you to join us Redemptorists today as we celebrate grace, the grace of God in our lives. And we call on the name of grace as we pray together, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.